Kimberly here, and welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am coming to you about an open invitation to a collab. This is a collab that I've been doing for 3 years now, and I was kind of weighing whether or not I was going to do it this year, but you know what? I'm going to do it. This is the collab called Show Some Love Collab. With this collaboration, I ask everyone to share 3 things that they love. It could be anything. 3 things that you love, as well as show a Valentine tablescape. And I'm leaving it as a tablescape or an islandscape. You can decorate any space in your home that you want to share for Valentine's Day. Now, with this, I'm going to throw in a little twist. I have to throw in something here. I would like for you to also share a simple, well, it could be simple or it could be whatever you like, but a DIY in this collaboration. And the collab will upload February 9th, 2018, which is a Friday, right before Valentine's Day at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please do not upload your videos until that time. You will be able to add your own videos to the playlist. The link to that playlist will be listed in my description box of my video. You know, I keep my collabs simple and easy, so I look forward to what everyone come up with. So I'm just going to leave it at that. So I thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye guys.